If you're looking at my eyeshadow thinking, oh, that looks nice, well, look no further than this Studio 10 Lift and Define palette. Let me tell you, these colours have all been designed to lift, contour and make your eyes look brighter, bigger, bolder and more dazzling, and that for me is exactly what they do. If you haven't worn eyeshadow for some time, or you feel like eyeshadow isn't for you, then I think this is going to completely change your mind and you're going to fall back in love with eyeshadow when you use this Studio 10 Eye Lift Eye Definer. It really does make such a difference to my eye confidence. I'm going to show you a before and after so you can see the difference. I absolutely love how it makes my eyes look. It feels weightless, it's so easy to blend for a really soft, subtle yet smoky, sexy eye. I hope you absolutely fall in love with this eyeshadow palette as much as I have.